Hola mi gente linda, en el video de hoy visitamos un viñedo, fuimos a un portaaviones, nos dimos un beso frente a la estatua de Marilyn Monroe y divisamos unas esculturas. Acompáñenos. Buenos días, disfrutando de la vida con buena vida. Hoy con nuestro amigo argentino Gustavo, que vino por acá a visitarnos y le vamos a mostrar la motito. Mira esta belleza, con el montón de calcomanías. Wow, muchos stickers, es increíble. La pasquita. Gustavo, ¿cómo le ha parecido el viaje con los Buena Vida?
Hasta ahora 10 de 10. 10 de 10. Hasta el clima nos acompaña, que está rico y sabroso.
Todo está perfecto.
La vista, no, la dormida anoche. Mejor dicho, ¿qué me voy a quejar? De nada. Eternamente agradecido.
No, es un placer, Gustavo.
Sí.
Y Gustavo, ¿dónde te pueden seguir en las redes?
En Instagram como Gusti Viaja, todo junto. Y en Facebook como Gustavo Arán, con H al principio.
Buenísimo.
Ahí pueden seguir 5 años de ruta, 5 años y medio.
Las aventuras.
Mar del Plata. No. Ahí no están narradas las aventuras. Es un plus que tiene la gente, la suerte de que me recibe y comparte conmigo. El resto ve la foto nada más.
Exacto. Disfrutando de la vida con buena vida. Hoy estamos en un lugar muy lindo y especial, se lo vamos a mostrar. Es un viñedo y lo conseguimos por medio de Harvey House. Harvey House es una institución que está alrededor de Estados Unidos, donde te dejan quedar por una membresía de $100. Te dejan quedar gratis, la única condición es que usted ayude a los pequeños negocios. Me parece un concepto muy bonito. Entonces, lo vamos a mostrarles. Mire el viñedo. Qué bonito. Mire la vista tan espectacular. Y la chata. Aquí está la chata. Súper bonito. ¿Cómo les parece, muchachos? ¿Cómo les parece? Denos un comentario. Qué lugar, vean. Ayer vimos búhos, estaban ahí en esas casitas. Y este es el nombre del lugar. Lo creado desde 1990. La chata del 91. Qué coincidencia. Bueno, aquí hay unas mesitas donde uno se puede sentar. Está muy bonito. Una camioneta antigua. No sé ni de qué año es, pero está súper lindo. Tienen gallinitas en el viñedo. Qué bonito. Aquí Gustavo estaría muy contento, mi amigo argentino. Tremendo asador. Me imagino que aquí se hace fogata. Mira qué cactus tan raro. Wow. ¿Cómo te pareció este viajecito chévere?
Súper lindo, fue bonito ver a mi prima otra vez, porque no la veía desde la última vez que he ido a Costa Rica, conocer a su novio, ir a almorzar con ellos y andar un ratito ahí por Santiago, después de habernos venido acá al viñedo. Y ay, no, que se duerme rico cuando uno está en la naturaleza, porque no se escucha un pip. Bueno, escuchamos unos búhos, escuchamos un pterodáctilo. No sabemos qué era, pero era algo grande. Y no, y amanecimos rico, vamos a desayunar.
Bueno, y también viajar con otro viajero es bonito, con Gustavo, ¿no? Muchas anécdotas, muchas
Sí,
historias.
todas las historias que nos estuvo contando.
Apóyennos ahí en el canal de YouTube de él.
Gusti Viaja
Ajá.
en Instagram. Bueno, las anécdotas no las cuenta en Instagram, así que lo tienen que conocer para que los cuente, pero sí, muy interesante su viaje, ya durante 5 años y medio recorriendo América de norte a sur y sur a norte.
All right, so here the owner of the winery is going to tell us the story of how he is the first winery in Ramona and how his plants became grandfathered into the ground around here.
Buongiorno, my name is Josh Weisel. I'm the first winery in Ramona. We started the winery in 1990, and since then we've helped a lot of wineries get started with our grape credits. And we're the oldest winery in Ramona. And we have 6 acres. We have 2 Airbnbs. And come and join and see us. We have a nice little tasting room, a nice patio. So come by and see us. We'd love to serve you some great wines. Thank you. God bless.
And what do you think about this
And they
place?
also have some incredible ports. So if you've been to Oporto in Portugal and you're into ports, definitely come here because not all wineries produce ports. Delicious, delicious. Very viscose, nice and sweet for a nice dessert wine.
And this is the wine. Okay. This is pretty cool.
Tomar una foto con él.
Eso no es un símbolo.
Ah, ok.
Un símbolo.
No es una.
No es un instrumento.
anyway,
It's not an instrument, right? It's
No.
just decoration.
It's a spiritual. I did a thing for a lady, she had an adobe house. The guy who built this lady had a house, she was building an adobe house. And I drove by and I seen it. So I went up in there and I talked to the guy. He goes, I say, my name is John Spider. My name is George. He goes, I'm Patterson. I saw my adobe builder. I go, really? And I go, this is really nice what you're doing. He goes, yeah. He goes, I'm building this for these people. And I go, well, you know what? I got some property in Ramona. I says, I'm not ready to build a house, but I'd like to have you come and
Take a look.
Take a look at my property. He goes, well, I'll tell you what, I need someone to put the paper on the roof. You put the paper on the roof, and I'll make your plans for you for free.
Oh,
You do
wow.
the paper, if you do all that work for me and buy the material. Okay, I'll do it. So years and years went by, and I'm talking 6 years went by, and I knew where he lived. So I drove by and go, hey George, I go, I'm ready to have you just come and give me, look at my property. So he came over and he draws the plans, I ended up getting him.
Is that for the adobe house?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
And
But
he
that's
made
the
it-
one that you did with hail, right? With the hail bells?
No,
No?
that's the one up on the hill.
Oh, okay.
And so he made
Is
it,
this property yours too?
yeah, that's a straw bale house.
Wow, okay.
I'd show you too, but I got somebody coming in today.
No, no worries.
But
That's
anyway,
the one that you also rent on Airbnb.
yeah.
Nice.
So anyway, he built it kind of like the one over there, but that one's big. I couldn't afford to build a big house. So anyway, I did some work on her. I put the roof on 34 years ago, and she had a couple of leaks, so I went and fixed them.
Wow.
Well, she sold the house, and she needed somebody to come and redo some more stuff on it. And so I had my guys go over and do the work. And then she goes, hey, can you come over? I want to show you some stuff I want to get rid of. So I said, yeah, sure. So I went over there and she had these cachita dolls.
Que hizo un trato con un señor que hace
And this
casas de adorno.
is all native made.
Entonces
Native,
le hizo la casa por allá arriba.
Wow.
this is Native American.
Él.
That's a rock.
Pasaron
it's
6
all-
años.
Yeah,
Él le
like
hizo
a hammer.
trabajo
Yeah.
con el señor.
Uh-huh.
Y
And then this.
yo le hago los planos para su casa.
This is beautiful. Look and see the cloth,
Pasaron 6
the bear
años.
cloth.
That's beautiful.
Look at that. It's all native. And then I got these cachita dolls.
What is the name?
Cachina.
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 No la
Cachina.
cafecita, sino más para allá. Dice que hay
I got
Wow.
these two. She gave them to me. You can have them.
It's beautiful.
I got no place for. She got a house in
Y
Santa
él,
Fe.
la casa
Mexico.
donde hizo el
Mhm.
I have no room for them. You can have them.
hizo
Wow.
trabajo.
Oh, this is my shop. This is where I make all my jewelry.
Is that turquoise?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow,
Gorgeous.
that's pretty nice. He makes jewelry too.
And the one that you have on that you said that are bird claws, are that because the birds drop them or
No,
when the birds die?
When they're hunted. When
Oh.
you hunt the birds.
Uh-huh.
You get 'em.
Oh, I see.
And then these are teeth from the coyote.
Wow.
Wow.
So I'm protected by everything.
We saw a bunch of owls here last night.
Oh yeah.
Ah.
I love them. I love when they make noise.
And did you put the owl houses up in the air? On
Yeah.
Is that for them to like obviously
All the jewelry.
nice?
Wow. It's really nice.
The cigar box is nice too.
Yeah. I used to smoke them and I gave them up.
Oh.
So I'm pretty healthy for that. I don't no drugs.
Yeah.
Just pharmaceutical drugs.
Yeah.
No, we don't even try to do those. We try to stay as clean as possible.
Yeah, we always like to be healthy.
Yeah.
Yeah. And,
Alternative, just natural stuff.
Yeah.
thank you very much, sir.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
I love
Thank you for letting us stay over here.
Okay, great. Be safe and stay as long as you want.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Si te gustó este video, dale like y suscríbete a nuestro canal. Para más aventuras con los perritos, buena vida. ¡Chao!